My name is Victor de Boer. I am the coordinator of the Digital Humanities in Practice final course in the minor. And in this course we do an internship with the students in a multidisciplinary team where we actually go to the Digital Humanities problem. So we have collaborations with Humanities institutes, with Cultural Heritage institutes, and we deal with real-world data, with real-world problems, and try to approach them from different angles. So we work with linked data, with language technology to solve these challenges.
I chose to minor Digital Humanities because in my own major there's a real lack of digital tools being used and being taught about. It's really a thing that I missed in my own kind of education at this point. Yeah. And this minor was great to kind of add to that. So I learned coding, which is always useful and definitely something I wouldn't have done otherwise. Yeah. And yeah, just generally the internship was just very useful to kind of see what kind of research is being done in the field.
And write a lot about my research, but this was a very practical minor. I learned how to apply tools to text that I'd never done before, and I really missed the practical aspect in my current study, and this really fulfilled that.
I mean, in a technical study you get some things like you get some ethics if you're doing computer science, or usually it's philosophy, I guess. But to really be in this environment where you have humanities students next to technical students, it just shows you that there are different ways to see these tools, and they're also good to take into account. They're not just tools that you should use without thinking about them. So that's how I would view it.
Already applying everything I learned from Digital Humanities within my thesis, because I'm using the distant reading that we were taught and the close reading that my bachelor taught me, and I'm applying them in both of them in my thesis.
And I think it's a good exercise to learn to work with that data, but also to work in a team and to know what kind of questions are developed in an institute where they have to create an infrastructure for a very large group of people, which is completely different from the research questions that they learn at the university.
My research is about the Dutch Bible Belt in the 20th and 21st century. I use digital tools, and I think it's very nice to use these tools because it makes it possible to research long periods of time. So you can detect changes over a really long periods.
I think for the computer scientists it's very important to understand what the humanities scholars are interested in, and then to reframe your technology tailored to a specific interest that will benefit the historians and also the humanities scholars for their research, which will give your technology a better and broader audience for application.
I really wish I thought of taking the Digital Humanities minor when I was in my bachelor, because it could have just opened up my work to so many more possibilities, and I could have already started exploring the tools that I'm just now getting into in my research master's.